Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to enable an on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. Whether you're using a touchscreen device or just need an alternative input method, the on-screen keyboard can be really helpful. So let's get started. To enable the on-screen keyboard, first click on the Start menu icon, then click on the Settings icon. In the Settings window, click the Accessibility tab on the left panel. Now, scroll down to the Interaction section. Here, click on Keyboard to expand the options. You'll see a switch next to On-Screen Keyboard. Toggle that switch to turn it on. And there you have it, the on-screen keyboard is now active. There's another method to open the on-screen keyboard using shortcut keys. Simply press the Windows logo key plus Ctrl plus O and the keyboard will pop up. That's how you can use the on-screen keyboard on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.